smooth. Stay there. Stay there.
And yeah, we're gonna probably find a new awesome Kansas City Southern
See how
train.
quiet that was? That engine was so quiet. Whoa, look at that boxcar. It looks like it's gonna tip over.
Kansas City Southern shipping container train here, I suppose.
Look at the train, it's going up and down. Look at that. No, come here. Come here. We're ready for the end. They usually have the famous Canadian Pacific. We'll see it. We have an orange-red theme going here.
And after this train, we're going to probably spot BNSF train.
We got a good lineup as long as we don't have any weights. Roll the deck!
Wow! Kansas City Southern,
Come here, Jack. Come here. I know, you know that's the Kansas City Southern by the lights. I want to see if they have one on the end as well.